They told you passive income is the key to financial freedom. But what if I told you that's a lie? You've probably seen those flashy ads promising money while you sleep, zero effort, unlimited freedom. But let me ask you this, if passive income was so easy, why isn't everyone rich already? The truth is, there's a dark side to passive income that no one talks about, and if you don't know it, you could waste years chasing a fantasy. Stick with me until the end, because I'm about to expose the harsh realities, hidden risks, and outright scams that could cost you everything. People love to believe in the idea of making money with no work. The dream of setting up a system that just prints cash while you relax on a beach is incredibly appealing. But here's the truth, they never tell you how much work it takes to get there. The reality is, most passive income streams require either a lot of money up front, a huge time investment, or both. Let's take real estate, for example. Sure, renting out properties sounds great, but are you ready for the headaches of dealing with bad tenants, property maintenance, and unexpected repairs? And what about digital assets? People think they can just create an online course or write a book and cash in forever, but without marketing, updates, and audience growth, those sales die fast. So no, passive income isn't about zero work. It's about front-loading effort so that eventually, things become easier, but never fully effortless. And here's where it gets worse, because while some people are out there putting in real work, others are falling for fake passive income traps. Scams disguised as automated income opportunities are everywhere. Maybe you've seen them: crypto Ponzi schemes, trading bots promising guaranteed returns, or courses that claim they'll teach you the ultimate passive income secret for just $997. These scams prey on desperation, selling the idea that you can bypass effort and just get rich instantly. But the only people making money are the ones selling these fake dreams. Take NFTs, for example. When the hype was at its peak, everyone was promised digital real estate and life-changing profits. What happened? The bubble burst, and countless people lost everything while the early adopters cashed out. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Even if you avoid scams and build something legitimate, there's another harsh reality. Passive income never stays passive forever. Everything requires maintenance. Let's say you built a successful e-commerce store that runs on dropshipping. Eventually, you'll have customer issues, supply chain problems, or new competitors undercutting your prices. And if you're making money from a blog, YouTube, or affiliate marketing, what happens if the platform changes its algorithm overnight? People have lost entire businesses because they relied too much on a single income source. Imagine working for years to grow a YouTube channel, and suddenly, your ad revenue drops by 80% because YouTube changed its monetization policies. That's not passive, that's risky. And that brings us to one of the biggest mistakes people make. They rely too much on passive income and forget to diversify. Here's the danger: if all your income depends on one platform, one investment, or one business model, you're setting yourself up for failure. Just look at what happened to people who invested everything in dividend stocks right before the market crashed. Or those who made a fortune in Airbnb rentals until new laws and regulations completely destroyed their profit margins. No matter how passive something seems, you need a backup plan. So what's the right way to do this? If you want real passive income, you need to build it smartly. That means diversifying your income streams so you're not reliant on just one source. Investing in things that you control, rather than platforms that can change the rules at any moment. Treating passive income like a business, because that's what it really is. If you're serious about building long-term financial freedom, start with something sustainable. A blog, a digital product, a rental property, something that has a solid foundation and a clear strategy for growth. But forget the idea that it's effortless. Because the people who actually make money with passive income, they put in the work first. Now that you know the truth, what are you going to do differently? Drop a comment below. Have you ever tried passive income? What worked for you, and what failed? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more real insights on making money the smart way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.